Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Flow login issues in 2026. If you're having trouble signing in to your Google Flow account, don't worry. I'll walk you through several simple solutions that can help you get back into your account quickly. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using the correct Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts signed in, Google Flow may be trying to use the wrong one. Sign out of any unnecessary accounts and log in with the account that has access to your Google Flow projects. Next, double-check that your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent the login process from completing successfully. If the login page isn't loading properly, refresh the page or close your browser and open it again. You can also try opening Google Flow in an incognito or private window to see if the issue is related to your browser settings. Another effective solution is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old browsing data can sometimes interfere with Google's authentication process. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try signing in again. You should also make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. An outdated browser may not be fully compatible with Google Flow or Google's sign-in system. If you're using browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, temporarily disable them and try logging in again. Some extensions can interfere with the authentication process. If you've forgotten your Google account password, use Google's account recovery option to reset it before trying to sign in again. Finally, if none of these solutions work, the problem may be caused by a temporary Google Flow service issue. Wait a few minutes and try again later, as temporary outages are usually resolved quickly. And that's how to fix Google Flow login issues in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.